Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting US-based stocks to buy. Today we'll have a look at Scorpio Tankers Incorporated. This stock is very interesting actually because it's going to the area of possible reversal, and it's interesting to watch and to wait for interesting buy options. So to understand what would be the best buying options here and the safest to sell, let's first have a look to general statistics to understand what's going on with the stock. So actually after reaching at around 28th of April, the maximum in the current uptrend, which was about $26, and stock reached also over both situation. It started declining, then actually touched moving average 20 as kind of support, then pierced it through. Then some volatility was again observed moving average 50, then went down. Then we have had two waves at about 26th of June, May, 8th of June, and now we see another downtrend going. And the same can be observed by RSI. It's constantly decreasing, slowly reaching to the area of oversold, which creates slowly positive pressure up. The same situation can be observed in MACD index after the maximum that was observed at 27th of April. It was very nice degrade down, then pierce, good wave, small waving here, and another down wave. So now it's negative and ready to either immediately go up or to make another small wave, like a double wave effect on MACD, and then go up, also drag the pressure up. So this also creates some additional upwards pressure, or it's being developed actually. Another interesting situation here is also that it has this pattern of moving averages, which is 250 and 20, which is like a classical down movement, but then we need to see actually how the averages are behaving and what is the current price in the candles combination. So also good point here is that the moving average 200 is not declining that fast, and it's quite high, so it's about 25.86, so let's say about $26. Then moving average 50 is very low, it's 1880, so there is a big capacity here between. And we see that recently there was a magic cross down at 27th of May. So this dragged price down a little bit, and now the stock is preparing for magic cross up. So the situation when moving average 20 will hit the moving average 50 from downstairs. So we still would observe some decline, and then reversal should be seen. Having said that, also we need to notice the behavior of candles themselves. So candles, after some deep red candles, we see volatility candles here, actually mainly dojis, free dojis, also with deceleration of the downtrend. Meaning that the market is deciding what to do, and doji is, just to remind you, is a candle that looks like this, meaning that neither bulls or bears have won the daily trade, so it's more like market is deciding. The doji could be white or red, doesn't matter. Here we have like white and two reds with some decline, but the market, the downtrend is decelerating. This creates another feeling for uptrend development. What still could happen here, it could be a psychological deep red candle, which usually happens, for example, if you have like series of dojis, then it could be once deep red. This is like although it sounds like a beginning of the new downtrend, but usually this could be also indication of like a psychological depth, and then it can be accompanied with next day very white one, and this also like indication of end of the downtrend usually. So this still could happen. Therefore, I would wait for this if it happens or not. So for a stronger confirmation in candles, and if this will be happening, then it will be really nice and safe area to buy. So then we can say the first buying box in this case here will begin at these levels. actually somewhere here around. It will be about 13.8, and then yeah, the next buying box will be anything below these numbers. So we'll have then two buying boxes here, 1 and 2, and you can still buy even already if you like, but then I call it a zero area. So you can mind buying, but keep buying, but keep some funds for down average down. Then this would be box number 1. This would be box number 2. So in case of this final leg down, there will be a reversal then observed, should be after reaching boxes 1 and 2, and then of course the question when to sell. Well, with this pattern usually it's nice to wait until you almost reach the moving average 20, because this could be a first strong resist, or there could be another intermediate resist line, which is this one if you look at it. So this could be another resist. Actually, it might be that by that time it will also coincide with moving average 20, because if you would think it's downturn and then reversal, probably it will be somewhere like a double resist here. Well, then it will be somewhere around this one. So then I would advise to sell. So that's it for Scorpio tankers. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.